Fractions, largest fractions and smallest fractions, how to identify easily. So this is the three types: nominator, denominator. If you nominator highest number, denominator is lowest, and denominator is the lowest and nominator is the highest. Those are the different types of fractions is there. So how to identify the largest fractions and smallest fractions? Let's see. This is the type 1. So our fraction is 15 by 16, 19 by 20, 24 by 25, 34 by 35. Which one is largest and which one is smallest? So one is the logic tricks, that is the nominator denominator, nominator denominator, nominator denominator, nominator denominator. Those are the difference is 1. This is the first type. If you given of fractions, different fractions, the difference between nominator and denominator, those are the 1, those are 1, those are 1, those are 1. All are equal. The difference nominator denominator is all are equal. On that time, which is the nominator is the highest number, thus is largest fractions. So which one is the highest nominator? That is, this is the highest nominator. So largest fraction is 34 by 35. And just like that, which one is the smallest nominator? This is the smallest fraction. So this is the 15 by 16. The logic is, difference between nominator denominator are both are equal. On that time, which is the highest nominator is the largest fractions, and which is the least nominator, that is the smallest fraction. This is the first method. This is the another method. We observe on that nominator denominator, nominator denominator, nominator denominator, nominator denominator. On that time, the difference is the 1, the difference is the 5, the difference is the 1, this difference is the 1. Is that not equal all the differences? On that time, is the largest fraction is, the logic is, highest number, that is the improper fraction is the largest fraction. In this time, the difference is the nominator denominator is not equal. On that time, improper fraction is the largest fractions. So this is the proper, this is the proper, this is the proper. So in this time, 8 by 3 is the largest fractions. So similarly, largest, what is the smallest means? The first method is applied this also. So 1, 1, 1, both are equal. So on that time, which is the minimum denominator number? That is the 7 by 8 is the smallest fraction. This method is the not equal of differences. What is the difference? Nominator denominator difference is not equal. On that time, improper fraction is the largest fraction. So similarly, smallest fraction is the both are same. On that time, the small denominator is the smallest fraction. This is the one trick. Okay. So all competitive exams given this type only. If the difference is the 4, if the difference is the 5, if the difference is the 5, if the difference is 4. So those are pair of fractions is the difference are equal. On that time, right of simplification 7 by difference and 8 by difference and 9 by difference and these are. So on that time, we observe one thing. So 7 by 4, 8 by 5, 9 by 5, 11 by 4. So on that time, difference is the not equal. So 4 and 5 is the do this LCM. So that is the 41551. That is the 5111. 4 5 LCM is the 20. This is multiply each fractions. That is 7 by 4 into 20, 8 by 5 into 20, 9 by 5 into 20. So 11 by 4 into 20. So 5 ones are 5 5s are 5 ones are 5 4s are 5 ones are 5 4s are 5 4 ones are 5. That is the 35 and 32 and 36 and 55. So this is the largest. So on that time largest fraction is 11 by 4. That is 11 by 15 is the largest fraction. So different of difference is there in the LCM of denominators. Multiply each fractions, and that time which one is the highest number, that is the largest fraction. So in the what is the smallest fractions? Let's see. A single digit in the divided, that 7 4 ones are 4 3 and point 0. This is the 28. So 1.7. So 8 5. So 5 are 3.6. That is 1.6. 9. This is the 5. So 5 means 4.8. 4 8 is a 0. 1.8. So 11. That is the 4. 4 2s are 8. 3.07. This is the 2 point. So which one is the least number? This. So that's why 8 by 5 the smallest fraction. So simple. Any problem given of this type only, within solves with 3 seconds. So first one is the numerator denominator difference equal, and second one is the improper fraction, and third one is the those are difference. Those are difference on that time multiply and LCM multiply each fractions. So on that time we get the largest fractions and the smallest fraction. Okay friends, this is the topic how to find out the largest fraction and the smallest fractions with tricks only within a minimum seconds. This video, if you like, share and watch and subscribe. Thank you.